Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you probably got a damaged or maybe a wrong item and you were trying to replace the exact same item in Amazon Shopping or Amazon.com. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to replace an item in Amazon Shopping in 2026 fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go ahead and look for the Amazon Shopping app or Amazon.com. Open the app or the website, then go and log in using your email address and password, all the way to go to returns and orders. So after this, select the item, tap return or replace the item. You can then choose replacement and confirm the prompt. As for some tips, replacement ship faster than refunds in many cases. Availability depends on the seller and the stock. Sometimes you can wait, basically they're gonna ask you to wait for some time until the new stock arrives. Sometimes you are lucky and you're gonna get the latest or basically the last piece of the stock. I mean, it all depends on your luck and timing. So make sure to check the item fast and do your decisions even faster. And that's the whole concept for basically today's video. You can also basically access all of your information if you were looking for any Prime membership, if you were looking to more options or more details about your orders, if you want to even check your payment methods or even addresses. It's all here on your account settings. So, thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.